what Femi Adebayo has done to Yoruba Nollywood sector, the kind of level tí Femi Adebayo ti gbé Nollywood lọ. I made a video about it, and some people came to my comment section saying, àwọn ilé náà ṣe báyìí, àwọn alágbádá náà ṣe báyìí, that kò yẹ kí n. I was not supposed to put everything on Femi Adebayo. I said, okay, accepted. Now, mo fẹ́ analyze nǹkan kan lórí video yìí. You get me? I want to actually, because when you're talking about some of the biggest epic Yoruba movies, you get me? You will talk about Anikulapo by Kunle Afolayan, and you will talk about Jagun Jagun by Femi Adebayo. Now I'm talking epic Yoruba movie now. Epic Yoruba movie. Now, big screen, so now when you place Jagun Jagun side by side with Anikulapo, you will know that for I want to more movie, you will know that both of these movies, I'm talking Anikulapo 1 and I'm talking Jagun Jagun. You get me? So now, the two movies actually projected Yoruba Nollywood genre from that point to another point. Now, I can break it down because me like analyzing with impeccable facts and figures. Yes. Now, nígbà tí Jagun Jagun jáde, a lot really happened. Because the reason why I said a lot really happened is that Jagun Jagun, yeah, in Jagun Jagun the movie, we actually witnessed a lot of fight sequences in the film. Yeah. That was something we have not seen before in our movies. The only time that you read epic movie with fight sequence is in Woman King. That movie that Viola Davis played the lead role. Now, we need to begin to tell our own stories by ourselves. Get me, Dada. Don't let us sit idle and wait for the Oyinbos, the Hollywood, to be telling our stories for us. Because kò sí ẹni tí ó máa mọ ìyá ọ̀ṣọ́ ju ọ̀ṣọ́ lọ. You cannot know our stories the way we do. This is our story. You cannot tell it better than us. So, but because we have been sitting idle for a long time, then these people, Hollywood has been coming, they have been telling our stories. Most of the times, they do a wrong representation of our cultural stories. Do you get in most of their films?